When evaluating the security of financial accounts like the Vanguard Plus account, security is measured across regulatory oversight, account protections, and deposit insurance. Vanguard operates under strict regulatory frameworks established by top-tier financial authorities, including the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. This regulatory compliance mandates rigorous operational standards and financial reporting to safeguard client assets. For uninvested cash balances held through its Bank Sweep program, Vanguard Plus provides substantial backing via Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insurance. This setup distributes cash across multiple partner institutions, extending coverage well beyond standard single bank limits up to millions of dollars depending on account structure. This means that even in the unlikely event that a partner bank experiences a failure, eligible cash balances remain fully protected up to the regulatory limit. Beyond institutional backing, platform security relies heavily on digital safety architecture and user-level protocols. Vanguard implements multi-factor authentication, biometric logins via fingerprint or facial recognition, physical security keys, and real-time activity alerts. These features are designed to detect unauthorized access attempts instantly and notify account holders of profile changes or suspicious transactions. Furthermore, digital asset protections are complemented by institutional security policies that cover unauthorized online transactions provided users adhere to required account security guidelines. Ultimately, the combination of multi-layered digital defenses, regulatory compliance, and extensive thick pass-through coverage makes Vanguard Plus a highly secure environment for managing personal liquidity and savings. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.